Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are the registered owner and have photo ID. You must be lawful about this. Once done, position the Q5 on level ground and set the parking brake so the vehicle won't roll. Make sure hazards are on. Call a helper if needed. Check the owner manual now for any manufacturer emergency procedures. Audi often documents what to do when the key is unavailable. Do not attempt unknown bypasses. Focus on authorized, documented options instead. Next, call Audi roadside assistance or your local dealer and explain the keyless situation. They can verify ownership and provide manufacturer-approved help. If needed, contact a reputable automotive locksmith who can legally produce a replacement key or program a fob. Make sure they're licensed. When professionals arrive, present your documents right away so they can proceed. This route prevents damage and preserves warranty coverage. Avoid DIY bypass methods. Professionals use tools and protocols that are Finally, if the vehicle cannot be moved legally or safely, request a flatbed tow so the Q5 is transported without engaging the drivetrain. The dealer may offer a remote service or authorized unlocking procedure after identity verification. Follow their steps to avoid damage. If a locksmith or tow operator proposes a mechanical bypass, ask for clarity and refuse unlicensed work. If anything goes wrong, get written estimates, a clear explanation, and contact your insurer or Audi support for next steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.